Mini 20 ounces pour-over coffee kettle. Small pour-over coffee kettle. 20 ounce black pour-over coffee kettle. Pour-over coffee kettle. Stainless steel. Precision pouring. The coffee pot is designed with unique gooseneck that allows you to easily control the flow of water to brewing coffee or tea, making it ideal for precise pouring of the perfect hand-drip coffee. Premium quality stainless steel. Our small 20 ounces pour-over coffee kettle is made of food-grade 304 stainless steel, non-rust nor corrosive, safe for your family's hearth. Apexstone premium coffee kettle gives you the better experience of making a cup of coffee. Excellent design. Ergonomic ear-shaped handle is designed for comfortable and safe grip to avoid scalding when pouring boiling water. The 4mm hole on the lip is able to be inserted with a thermometer, not included. Easy to clean, dishwasher safe. You can rinse it with water and clean it with brush or sponge. 100% satisfactory warranty. If unfortunately our mini pour-over coffee kettle did not work well, please kindly contact us for exchange, refund or return. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.